Hello there, my name is Hanwen C and I am from grade 10 STEM class. Put it simply, this project is rocket testing and seeing how far a rocket can go with different designs. A real world example to something like this is on how far rockets can go are rockets at NASA or SpaceX, which the rockets are used to go to the ISS or the moon. This project also helps a little in understanding in maths and science with how much weight, the size, and designs can make even the slightest difference in the rocket launch and how far the rocket can go. Did 3 different rocket tests on different days. We'll start with the first beta test on the prototype rockets, the first one that I made. Here they are as they are shown on picture. 1, 2, and 3. See here, this is a short film of me shooting the rocket. However, the rocket blew right off. So the prototype ended in failure, but it's fine since it was just a prototype and I improved upon it. The second intermediate test, I tested out 3 new rockets which all had weights in them and see what they can do. Here they are in, as already shown, 1, 2, and 3. So see how much each of those rockets weigh as well. Of the second prototype tests with my friends Kyler and Caleb helping, while the rocket landed on the ground, the weight landed all the way in the back. Here are 2 recordings of the final tests of 2 different designs. They both went very far compared to their counterparts and didn't explode. So I say in the end it was a successful project. Here are 2 photos of the 2 previous rocket launches is as shown in better view. This project was very fun and had much to learn. A nice comparison would be like to NASA SpaceX rockets or the rockets used by the military to blow stuff up, since each needed to propel the rockets. However, since we have limited supplies at school and safety first, we will only use paper rockets and fire them at 60 psi at most. You can replicate this project if you want to, if you wish to test it. The materials are large paper, perhaps I use like an 80 stack, mini stacks of paper. Make sure they're really big. Like scissors, sharp scissors that can cut very well, since the scissors I used weren't able to cut stuff very well, so I had a difficult time. So you should definitely get some scissors that can cut stuff faster so you won't have such difficulties. Strong clear duct tape, the ones that you can see through. Weights such as a bouncy ball or model clay as a ball as weight, so wind or any unexpected thing doesn't push back, or the paper rocket, or if you assuming I'm doing a paper rocket doesn't blow back. If you're not doing a paper rocket, you can always use cardboard or other harder materials. Final thing you need to create the rocket is something like a pump such as the one you see in the photo. You can get one from eBay or Amazon, or the parts from any convenience store such as London Drugs or Shoppers Market. At more time, I could have created more rockets with different materials if I could get them. I would have also tried other settings such as a different angle other than 45 degrees, such as 55 or 60 degrees, as well as make the PSI pump rating go high to 70 or lower to 50, since the one that I used was 60 psi to fire the rockets. A failure I learned from this project is that you won't get the perfect design at first try, and that many prototypes will have to be created until you get one that's good enough, and you have to improve and improve till then. What I liked most about this project was the hands-on work, such as building the rockets. That is what I have to say for the future and for this project. I am grateful to have done it.